Once upon a time, there was a poor woodcutter named Raghav. He lived in a small village with his family. Every day he went to the forest to cut wood and sell it in the market. He worked hard and earned just enough money to take care of his family. Raghav was known for being honest. He never lied or cheated anyone. Even though he was poor, he was happy because he believed that honesty was more important than wealth. One day, Raghav was cutting a tree near a deep river. As he swung his axe, it suddenly slipped from his hand and fell into the water. "Oh no!" he cried. The river was deep and he could not see his axe. It was the only tool he had. Without it, he could not work or earn money. Raghav sat by the river and began to cry. Suddenly, a beautiful goddess appeared from the water. "My good man," she said, "why are you crying?" Raghav replied, "I am a poor woodcutter. My axe fell into the river. It is the only tool I own." The goddess felt sorry for him and said, "Do not worry, I will help you." She went under the water and came back holding a golden axe. "Is this your axe?" she asked. Raghav looked at the shining golden axe. It was very valuable, but he answered honestly, "No, that is not my axe." The goddess smiled and went under the water again. This time she returned with a silver axe. "Is this your axe?" she asked. Raghav shook his head. "No, that is not mine either." The goddess disappeared once more and came back holding an old iron axe. "Yes, that is my axe," he said. The goddess was pleased with his honesty. "You told the truth, even when you could have taken the golden or silver axe," she said. "As a reward, you may keep all 3 axes." Raghav was surprised and grateful. He thanked the goddess and returned home. His family was very happy. Soon his life became more comfortable. News of his good fortune spread throughout the village. A greedy neighbor named Mohan heard the story. He wanted to become rich without working hard. The next day, Mohan went to the same river. He threw his axe into the water on purpose and started pretending to cry. The goddess appeared and asked, "Why are you crying?" "My axe fell into the river," Mohan replied. The goddess went under water and returned with a golden axe. "Is this your axe?" she asked. Mohan quickly said, "Yes, it is mine." The goddess became angry. "You are not telling the truth," she said. Immediately, the golden axe disappeared. The goddess also disappeared and never came back. Mohan waited for a long time, but he did not get the golden axe or even his own axe back. He returned home feeling ashamed and disappointed. From that day on, the villagers remembered the lesson of the 2 woodcutters. Raghav's honesty brought him rewards, while Mohan's greed caused him to lose everything. The end of the story. For more interesting stories, like, share, subscribe to the channel.